Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. So today we'll be making a hibiscus hair growth oil. Hibiscus has been well known and widely used in India for their hair growth oils. So today we'll be using it and some other amazing natural ingredients to create a powerful hair growth oil, so stay tuned. Hibiscus leaves cover a wide range of benefits, and firstly, it stimulates hair growth. Guys, you can use hibiscus leaves for hair growth because it contains amino acids. Amino acids are a rich building block of keratin. Hibiscus is known to improve the buildup of keratin and boost the formation of new hair follicles, thereby stimulating hair growth. Secondly, hibiscus conditions your hair strands. Along with nourishing your hair strands, hibiscus also locks in moisture to your hair. Hibiscus leaves and flowers contain a high amount of mucilage that acts as a natural conditioner and restores elasticity into your hair. Thirdly, hibiscus prevents balding. A lot of research shows that hibiscus influences the regrowth of dormant hair follicles. According to research, herbal drugs like hibiscus extracts are even safer to use rather than other alternatives and come without any harmful side effects. Hibiscus also prevents dandruff and an itchy scalp. It acts as an astringent and helps to cure dandruff and flakiness. And regular use of hibiscus also helps to maintain the pH balance of your hair and scalp and also soothe your scalp. And lastly, hibiscus prevents premature graying. Hibiscus is an excellent source of antioxidants and vitamins that are needed to produce melanin, which gives your hair its natural color. Therefore, using hibiscus flowers can help prevent premature graying and boost the natural color of your hair. Now that we have our hibiscus ready, the second ingredient we'll be using today is cloves. Cloves contain a property called eugenol, which increases blood flow to the scalp and leads to hair growth. Hibiscus and cloves are a powerful combination, and this is because you get all the rich benefits of cloves without it drying out your hair. The third ingredient we'll be using is fenugreek. Fenugreek contains large amounts of lecithin, which hydrates the hair and strengthens the hair follicles. The fenugreek seeds also help in moisturizing the hair and bringing it back the luster and bounce. The last ingredient we'll be using are rosemary leaves. Rosemary stimulates blood circulation to the scalp and promotes hair growth. It also protects the hair from damage and hair loss. It treats a variety of scalp issues from dry scalp to psoriasis. Once all your ingredients have been put in, now you can take your oil and double boil it on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. But guys, be careful. We have broken a jar or two trying to do this because we put it on high heat rather than low heat. Remember, you're using a glass jar and it should be put on low heat. Once you've double boiled your oil on low heat, you can gently remove your jar and leave to cool down for a bit. Once this is done, it can be transferred directly into a jar, but in our case, for more potency, we'd rather wait 24 hours and transfer the oil tomorrow. And now you have your hibiscus hair growth oil. As you guys can see, it has a pretty light reddish color, but not to scare, it doesn't leave a stain on your clothes. It also has a nice fresh smell like fresh berries. And also, if you want, you can put in some hibiscus petals into your oil bottle just to create a pretty aesthetic. This oil is very beneficial for hair growth and your scalp health. It stimulates hair growth, it treats dandruff, it helps to condition and nourish your hair, it strengthens your hair strands, and it treats baldness and prevents premature graying. This hair growth oil can be used 2 to 3 times a week. It can be massaged evenly onto your scalp. It can also be applied lightly onto the body of your hair. It can be added to your pre-poos, to your conditioner treatment, and it can also be used as a hot oil treatment. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment down below. Let us know if you'll be trying this hair growth oil. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!